is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird, I would say a red-headed green warbling mallard.
And can you tell me how they sound?
Oh, absolutely.
The common raven, which needs to be renamed the elegant raven, is
I love the hummingbird. When they go up in the air and they do this mating dance and they go up about 50 feet and they come down and they go beep.
My favorite bird is the osprey.
And can you show me how it flies and how it sounds a little bit?
Not really how it flies, but it screams and talks as it flies into the river.
Oh, give me an impersonation.
I can't.
Aguilucho langostero, the hawk that eats the locust.
What does it sound like? What do you flap like? Show me.
Ah, boy, that's going to be tough.
Give it your best shot.
My favorite bird right now is the wood duck. Most beautiful bird. I used to duck hunt. One of the reasons I don't duck hunt anymore. It's just too beautiful. That's a wood duck. The robin, what does it sound like?
The quack is about as close as I could get, so that would be a duck, right?
Lived on a farm on the hills above the Pacific. At night you would hear the lonely cry, whoop-woo, whoop-woo, whoop-woo.
A mockingbird, which sounds like everything that you can think of. They'll do tweety, 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 and then they'll do arn, 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 and then they'll do like they'll do them all at once, and you think there's 50 birds in a tree. There's one. It's called a mockingbird.
Seagulls, love them.
My favorite bird is a robin, I think, because it reminds me of home.
And what do they sound like?
Chirp, chirp.
Northern flicker. It's a type of woodpecker, but instead of acorns, it eats ants. So it can actually digest all the formic acid that ants make. And I can't make the sound with my mouth, but I have a bird app on my phone.
I don't know what it sounds like. I don't know what it sounds like, so I'm really, no, I can't, sorry.
But when he sees birds in a bush, he walks over very stealthily and you see his tail going in a circle and he's letting you know, hey, dinner's inside this bush.
And you see him splashing in a little bird bath.
Yes, I think my favorite bird was the killdeer. Guilty, 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 guilty.
All the little birds on J Street, hopping and down and go tweet, 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 rockin' robin, tweet, tweet,